In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use custom templates in openoffice Writer. This process will save you time and effort by allowing you to quickly start new documents with your preferred styles and formats already in place. To begin, let's create a document that will serve as the foundation for your template. Start by opening openoffice Writer. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. It's quite similar to other word processing software. Once you have it open, type some sample text to set the scene. This could include a report title, a header, and maybe a few paragraphs of placeholder text. The content doesn't have to be detailed. It's just to give you a structured setup for your template. Now, it's time to apply some formatting to make your document look professional. Begin by selecting the text and changing the font and size to your liking. This control is usually at the top of your screen, where you can choose from a range of fonts and sizes. Next, add a header and footer to your document. To do this, navigate to the Insert menu, where you'll find the options for header and footer. This is a great spot for information, like document titles or company names. You might also want to include page numbers, which can be done by going back to the Insert menu. Choose Fields, then Page Number to automatically include page numbers at the bottom or top of your pages. With these changes, your document now serves as a design base. Once your document looks the way you want future documents to appear, it's time to save it as a template. This involves a few simple steps. Click on File in your menu, then select Templates, followed by Save. This will prompt a dialog box to appear. Enter a name for your template, something descriptive that you'll easily recognize, like My Report Template. Next, choose a category for your template. If My Templates is an option, that's often a convenient choice. Once you've done this, click OK to save your template. To use your newly created template, the process is just as easy. Whenever you need to start a fresh document using that design, go to File, then choose New, followed by Templates and Documents. This will open a new window where you'll see an option for templates on the left-hand side. Click on this setting and locate the category where you saved your template, such as My Templates. Inside, you should see your saved template ready to go. Simply double-click on the template and a new document will open based on the design you meticulously created. And there you have it, a personalized template ready to streamline your document creation process in openoffice Writer. With this simple setup, you'll find drafting reports or similar documents much more efficient and consistent.